Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the 6 best AI tool I use every day. So let's get started. So the first tool is Canva. Canva is indeed a powerful and user-friendly graphic design platform that offers a wide range of tools and templates for creating various visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, flyers, and more. The second one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT assists you with a wide variety of tasks, answer questions, provides information, offers suggestions, and engages in conversation on a multitude of topics. Whether you need help, want to learn something new, or just want to chat, feel free to ask anything to ChatGPT. Now, the third one is Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI powered writing assistant that helps improve writing by correcting grammar, spelling, punctuations, and style mistakes. It offers browser extensions, desktop apps, and mobile keyboards to ensure that your writing is clear and error free. The fourth one is Otter.ai. Otter.ai is an AI powered transcription tool that automatically transcribes audio recordings, meetings, and interviews into text. It's great for taking notes during meetings, capturing ideas on the go, and generating searchable transcripts for each reference. Now, the fifth one is Jasper. Jasper.ai is an enterprise grade AI tools to help marketing teams achieve both speed and performances. Lastly, Notion.ai. Notion is a popular productivity tool that combines note taking, task management, and collaboration features into one platform. It is known for its versatility, allowing users to create custom databases, wikis, calendars, and more to organize and manage their work and personal projects. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.